Hello guys, this is our buffet for today. This is our venue to this video. This is the sweets. All the sweets guys is here. This one guys. This is our venue. Beautiful place. Wait. Beautiful place. Wait. Hello guys. Dito kami ngayon sa Skylands Radisson Hotel. Yoho! This is my friend Mary Jane. Mary Jane.
Hello guys.
Maganda dito no, hayahay lang siya. Yan yung mga table. Yan yung ano natin, ambience. Napakaganda. Hi Mary Jane.
Hello.
Kumakain, umuya-uya. Ayan, may swimming pool dyan, dagat.
Gusto ko pa dyan.
Guys.